I didn't know that not everyone knew how to test the strength of a stone and whether or not a stone was good for them, because I was taught when I was very little and I just thought that this was common knowledge, but it's not. So I'm going to teach you how if you don't already know. Especially with some of our black rocks right now, because I just did a video and people were super curious about how to protect themselves with the color black and black gems and black jewelry. So my son, this little cutie pie, decided to help me out with y'all. We're doing a lot of faceless content right now. I'm a little concerned about some of the AI stuff going around with faces and what's going on with that. So that's why I don't create face content yet. And I don't want my son's face in my videos either. So we're going to start here with this black tourmaline. And I'm going to show you what we do. When you go to the gem store, just do this with a friend. You might look silly, but it'll work. First, I'm going to put this tourmaline in his hand. And when you're doing this, you're going to do it how we're doing it. You're going to hold your arms out like this, have someone come up on the other side, and as I push down, you can see how I can push down his arm so easy. This is really not a stone that brings him any strength, and it's not for him. This is a snowflake obsidian. As you can see, there's a little bit of white spots on here. So we're going to test and see if this would be something that would help protect him and if we would want him to carry it around. Again, his arm goes down pretty easy. Now, when you're doing this, you're going to feel what it feels like because it is super interesting how powerful and strong this is. Do this with any of your stones right now and tell me your results in the comment and how it feels for you, and if there's another way that you test your stones. Here is a black onyx bracelet with a gray stone in the middle, and you can see that that one's a little bit better for him. He put it on his wrist. He said he felt a little bit stronger. He liked it. This one is a different type of black. This is more of a black obsidian. Again, I'm expecting this not to be super strong for him. It has a green stone in the middle. I'm not sure, but I want to show you the one that does work for him that is super lucky. This is green Aventurine. When he holds this one out, you will see that his arm doesn't even budge. He feels so strong, and this is the one he tells me. He's like, wow, I can't believe it worked. So I went ahead and gave it to him and said, keep that in your pocket, babe. We tried a few more stones that I thought might work for my son, and you can see them here. I want you to definitely try this. I'm serious. I really want to know what stones work for you. I didn't use any super famous like amethyst or quartz because those are pretty strong stones and they usually work for everyone. So give yours a chance. I'm sure if you're watching this video and you're my people, you have an amethyst sitting around you can try out. Have fun, my little witchies.